The search functionality on CAASie is pretty simple. On the map, when you're on the map, just type in the address that you're looking for. Say, for example, I'm going to type in 4 Pearl Street and hit enter. It'll ask me to choose whether I'm looking for a location or whether I'm looking for a board. In this instance, I'm looking for a location, so I'm going to click on location, and the location shows up on the left. If that is what I'm looking for, and that's exactly what I'm looking for, I can get it to show on the map. It'll show me where the location is on the map. I can close the window here. I can see that it's struck a dot on the map where that particular location is. Now, if I'm looking for a board, I can type in the board name and hit enter, and I can pick what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the boards with that name, so I'm going to click on boards, and all the boards matching that name would show up on the left here. I can either click on it to see more information, or I can just add it to my cart or remove from my cart.